museum back to life.
You know, people sit out on the front porch hoping people will come by.
Go forth and do good. It's insane. I have the most understanding wife in the world.
I treat everybody the same thing.
Oh, that's the other thing I love about Marietta. It's like a melting pot.
You are listening to Marietta Stories. Each week, veteran podcaster Bill Nowicki brings you the heartwarming, interesting, and fun stories from the people that make the community of Marietta, Georgia, a place to call home. Here's your host, Bill Nowicki.
Katie Stieber from the Cobb-Marietta Junior League. Yep. And we're at the Mistletoe Market.
We're at the Mistletoe Market, which is a fundraiser that we have brought back this year. It is
Where did it go?
It was on hiatus for a couple of years because we were, the Civic Center was being renovated. Once it was renovated and we got some membership, especially Ramsey stepped up to chair the event, and so she was able to bring it back.
Well, there's a lot of people here and it hasn't even opened yet.
It just opened. This is our premiere night, so we're hoping to get about 250 people through the door. We
Really?
Swag bags for the first 250 people, so we are very excited. We have Carriage House Catering is providing light bites. Miss Maney's in Marietta Square is providing the desserts. We have adult beverages that were...
Adult beverages?
Yes.
All right, well, let's talk about the Junior League real quick.
So the Junior League of Cobb-Marietta is an organization of women that is committed to promoting volunteerism, developing the potential of women, and improving the community through the effective action of trained volunteers. Our purpose is exclusively educational and charitable.
All right, great. And how long has it been around?
The Junior League of Cobb-Marietta was founded in 1933 as the Marietta Junior Welfare League. We have about 60 actives right now and a couple hundred sustainers.
Great. And what are you going to do with the money you raise for this? What was your name again?
I'm Ramsey Wagner.
Ramsey Wagner. Okay, so Ramsey, looks pretty crazy in there.
It does. We have 56 merchants this year. 56 merchants ranging from gourmet foods to jewelry, clothing, monogramming, gifts, dog beds, and everything in between. We've got a great mix this year and we're really excited. You could come here and literally get all of your shopping for everyone on your list.
That sounds pretty good. I'd normally go to Amazon though.
Well, but why go to Amazon? These are great merchants, shop small.
Local.
Support local vendors.
Ah, very good.
Yes.
Yeah, so how did you get started on this? Did you put your hand up at a meeting and not know what you were getting yourself into?
A little bit of that, yes. I've been in the league for 8 years and loved Mistletoe Market and found that it was something that was missing. The community was asking for it, members were asking for it, and it was just had the opportunity to bring it back, and somehow I got volunteered to do that.
When did you get started planning and all that good stuff?
It's been about a year and a half. About a year and a half ago, we started thinking about it. We decided not to do it last year and to spend a full year kind of pulling it together, and started getting all of the merchants secured last January. So it's been almost a full year.
So has it met your expectations?
Yes, I think we have been pleasantly surprised by overwhelming support from merchants from across the Southeast, the community. Our members, volunteers, sponsors have really been very supportive of the efforts and excited to come and shop.
And this is a great venue, and it's close to Marietta Square. It's got great parking, and you don't have to try to travel to Kennesaw or a mall or Costco or any of that craziness.
Exactly. Yeah, it's a great convenient location here at the Cobb County Civic Center. Near 75, right between West Cobb and East Cobb, convenient to
the border region.
OTP and ITP and everywhere in between. So very centrally located in Cobb.
Great. And you said you had 56 vendors. Is that right?
56 merchants.
Merchants.
Yes, from across the Southeast.
How many people do you expect are going to show up? Or how many people have already showed up? Today's the preview?
Yes, tonight's premiere night, and we had a line out the door waiting for the doors to open. So we're expecting 250 to 300 tonight. And then we'll be open Friday from 10 to 7, Saturday from 9 to 6, and Sunday from 10 to 4. We're expecting about 5,000 to 7,000 shoppers throughout the weekend.
Really? Great. Well, that's a terrific thing. So where's this money? How much money do you expect to make?
We're hoping to make 35,000.
Really?
And that comes from shoppers, from merchants, concessions, sponsors, a collection of ways. And those will be going to support our league and our community.
All right. Where do you think the money is going to stay in Cobb-Marietta?
So the funds go to support the Cobb-Marietta community. So our purpose is to serve the women and children of Cobb County, and so we use those funds both for training purposes and then outreach purposes.
Oh, cool. Anything else you wanted to share? It costs money to come in, right?
It does. You can do premiere night tickets for $25 at the door, and that gets you live music, desserts from Miss Mamie's, light bites from Carriage House Catering, a swag bag, and free gift wrapping. General admission tickets are for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and those are $8 a piece at the door.
Okay, great. All right, let's take a walk around Ramsey.
All right, let's take a walk.
What are we? There's a huge Christmas tree. Somebody else want to get what?
I'm just making sure my kid's taking.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Parker.
She's getting her daughter is running around. Your daughter's name is Parker.
Parker, yes, she is a.
She's a
future
helper,
junior leaguer,
too.
Yes, she was handing out flyers at Kroger.
Oh, was she? That's great. She's looking at me strangely. Okay. Hello. Just say hi.
Hi.
Are you helping your mom out?
Yes.
What's your job?
Well, I wanted to be greeting people.
But you've been taken away because, we're going to take a walk around, and then you can greet some people. Okay, Ramsey. You got to describe, because this is all audio, there's a huge Christmas tree.
Yes, we have a 14-foot snowman Christmas tree.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's got all kinds of cool decorations. Who brought that?
All of our decor is from Atlanta Christmas Decorating, Kathy. They were a phenomenal partner for us that came in and spent about 12 hours putting together all of our decor. We've got beautiful decorated snowflake garland all around the perimeter, overlooking the downstairs area. And then we've got the 14-foot tree here in the front, and then we've got some beautiful trees in the back.
You have music by
Lilac Wine Band. They're a phenomenal trio.
Yeah, they have like one of those big stand-up bass.
Yeah, stand-up bass. They're great. They play a great mix of jazz, party music, holiday music.
Wow, there's all kinds of clothes. I can see piles of clothes.
Yes, so upstairs, if you're familiar with the Civic Center, there's an upstairs perimeter, and then there's a downstairs area. So we have both upstairs and downstairs.
Wow.
We've got some jewelry from Throwing Stars.
Oh, wow. Throwing Stars. Yeah. Jewelry. Very good. Easy gift. You want to say something?
Yes.
What?
At the holiday shopping gift, there's going to be a pretend Santa.
What?
We have a pretend Santa here, and we will have Santa Claus here on Sunday with Santa from 1 to 3.
Oh, cool. Yeah, this is like the kickoff of the holiday season here.
It is.
Marietta.
We've got Southern with Grace out of Cartersville.
All right. She has constituents she's saying hi to. What? You got some more jewelry?
Yes, we've got, this is all, we've got, for premiere night, we've got the raffle prizes.
Ah.
So we've got jewelry. So tonight we've got raffles. So it's $5 raffles, 5 for 20.
I got you.
You
got somebody watching the raffle to make sure no one's...
Danielle is our raffle guard.
Hey, Danielle.
So we got some hot and cold pads here. So.
Oh, pads like for muscle aches.
Yeah, muscle aches, tension, swelling, carpal tunnel, stress, all kinds of things.
Right. Do you have any carpal tunnel from any of your activities?
I've got some elbow. What is that? I got it in your elbow.
Tendinitis.
From the phone. Yes, tendinitis.
See, I'm older than you, so I know all the different maladies that people get.
Yes. We got lots of different jewelry for every taste, from delicate to the
And the light,
pieces.
right, and the lighting's very bright, so LED lighting, so you can see very well. Uh-oh. Your daughter wants a drink.
She wants to shop everywhere.
What's that? That's margarita mix.
1 minute. Yep, we've got Mix It Up here. So they do mixes for
Sangria.
wine mixes, cocktail mixes. Okay, good one.
All right, well, I don't know. No, it's alcohol. Oh, wait a minute. There's been a controversy. That looked like it was an alcoholic, but I
guess it was.
All right, first fail of the night. Everything else is going great.
That's right. So, I don't know if you're familiar with our Junior League cookbook. So, we have 2 Junior League cookbooks.
Oh, cool.
And this is like the deal of the market. So, we have both of our cookbooks, Southern on Occasion and Georgia on My Menu, are $5 each.
You're a kid.
This is like fire sale.
That's beautiful. So hardcovers.
They're both hardcover. Georgia on My Menu is more of your grandmother's cookbook, and Southern on Occasion.
A lot of butter.
Is a great. Oh yes. It's a great
cream.
coffee table book. So
Grits.
Everything. I know, right?
Where are you from originally?
Marietta.
Really?
I know.
Yeah.
Born and raised.
Yeah, you're taking care of Marietta folks too. All right.
So you can also get these by the case this week.
The case.
Yes. So Georgia on My Menu, case of 10 for $35.
Wow.
Yes.
That's really good when you live apart from some.
Right, they're great. Make great hostess gifts or wedding gifts.
Here we go past the open.
Carriage House Catering.
Carriage House Catering has a little wine.
Yep.
Beer.
Yep, we got wine and beer.
And hors d'oeuvres.
Some light bites. Yes, you can have a strawberry.
All right, she's getting to eat something.
Yes.
All right, they've got a couple Christmas trees in the back.
Yes, we have a nice little photo op here with the Santa chair.
Yeah, I see that.
Tree.
We should get our photo taken.
I know, you want to?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
we should. All right. I got mine. Well, you got yours?
Here, we'll do a selfie.
Yeah, that's good. Great.
There you go.
All right. So, got a couple Christmas trees. A lot of people over here by the drink area.
Yeah, well, a surprise.
Gotta get them
right?
shopping.
I know. They're getting all their light bites and beverages in before they go shopping.
So this is 3 hours shopping.
3 hours of shopping, yeah. So
And how long is it on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday again?
It is 10 to 7 Friday, Saturday 9 to 6, and Sunday from 10 to 4.
I remember Sunday.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Sunday we have Santa from 1 to 3.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Is your daughter going to sit on Santa's lap, you think?
Well, of course. Yeah. She'll probably live
What
here
does she
this week.
want?
Well, she's literally circled the entire Target magazine, so, I feel like I can't go
What
wrong,
is she into?
right? Barbies. Barbies. LOLs.
Man, she got more than a strawberry. She's having trouble carrying it, and she's taking it slow. She got boots on.
I know. She's ready, man.
Do you have any more kids?
No, just this one. She's enough. She's all I can handle.
All right. She's got a big shopping bag, too.
She does. She's got a swag bag. She has managed to escape with one of those.
She was one of the first 200, was it?
One of the first 250. Yeah.
250. Good for you. All right. They have an area full of Christmas trees.
Yeah,
It is beautiful. All right. There's where Santa's going to sit on Sunday. I see that.
Right, yes. And we have a fun little cartoon Santa that you can take photo ops with.
Oh,
too.
cool.
So, yeah.
Man, how much work did you put in on this? Be honest.
There's a lot of hours, not going to lie.
Did you record all of your volunteer hours for your
I should have. That would have been smart, right?
taxes?
Can you do that?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
You didn't know that? Yeah.
Like 400. We're
Yeah. I'm sure it's a 501c3.
Yeah. My real job is quite pleased this is almost over.
What's your real job?
I work for a meeting planning company.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go.
That's right.
This is right up your alley.
It is a little bit.
So did everybody look at you to do this, or did you kind of like, I want to do it? Be honest.
Probably a little bit of both.
Yeah.
I wanted it for the league because it's, a great opportunity for us to get our name in the community, and also, it was a great money generator for us.
Right.
Yeah, we've got House and Garden Boutique has the most precious, sparkly, bright mistletoe ornaments.
Yeah, that's
So,
hard.
Great signature for being here. And we've got monogramming, on-site monogramming.
I know the
Here,
monogrammer.
monogramming,
She's
yeah.
waving. She's giving me that royal wave.
That's right. Yeah.
She was on the show. She's great. She left her job as an accountant downtown. Now she does Marietta monograms.
See, I tell ya. She's
Beautiful.
Yeah, she does great work.
Yep.
Have some great back massagers.
Back
here.
massage.
Massagers, yes. They're kind of, you
Your
don't
daughter
have
was
to-
checking that out.
Oh, I know.
She probably has a tough time in school. School's not easy anymore.
No, she told me kindergarten was a waste of time.
Really?
Yeah. She goes, it's kind of a waste of time. I could be at home working on crafts. I said, okay.
Oh boy, she might be a handful
Oh, man. You know it.
eventually. Oh, you have a balloon Christmas tree? Is that what that is?
Yes, Minton Market did that themselves. I love that. So that's candles.
Yeah, that's a
and
great
bath
idea.
salts and oils and things, and she makes all of those by hand. So that's a great local favorite.
I
And
might,
for gifts.
I might get a balloon Christmas tree from my own
There
place.
you go. There you go. Easy, you know. Just when you're done with it, just pop it. There you go.
I think they deflate on their own.
Yes. Well, probably. I mean,
All right.
by the end of the month, they'd be gone.
Yeah, I don't think it'll last a month. All right, little red gifts. All right, I'm starting to get mall disease. You know what that is?
Too many people walking around.
No, too many visual things to look at. And
There's a lot here.
yeah, there is. The whole downstairs, I can see it from bird's eye view. Let's just talk about what we see down there.
Okay, sounds good. We've got some amazing clothing vendors, cardigans, sweaters, everything that's in right now, which is great. Lots of animal print.
Macaroon.
Macaroons, beautiful macaroons.
They're very pretty.
So pretty. Got lots of children's clothes and smocking, peachskin sheets.
I see people buying too.
I know, right? Love
Exciting.
it. Yes. We've
It
got
feels like the old, it's nice to get away from the, oh, is that somebody's trying to talk to you?
Yes.
She's looking
We've got lots of
askance.
committee members. all
Does she
over
want to
the
talk to me?
Sarah, we're doing good. Sarah's our volunteer coordinator. So Sarah,
Come here, Sarah.
hard at work.
How hard is it to get volunteers for the Junior League?
It's not as hard as you think. Most people are very willing to spend time where they're going to be having a good time anyways. So
And you get a chance to shop.
I have not had a chance to shop yet. I think
really?
we'll probably be doing that on Saturday.
Okay. Yeah. Well, how many people did you get to volunteer? There must be a lot.
We have about 50 volunteers who are working a variety of hours over the next couple of days. So
Yeah, Ramsey didn't know that she could take, or write down her hours and write it off on her taxes.
oh, I didn't know that either.
You didn't know that?
Volunteer hours are tax deductible. Learn something
I think
every
so. I don't know.
day.
I'm not an accountant, but I remember something like that. But anyway, yeah. So
Really happy he's getting something out of this.
yeah, it sounds like you guys already spent a lot of hours already, though. This is something. Are you going to continue? Is this going to be a thing in Marietta, Georgia, for the next 20, 30 years?
We hope so. Yeah, this is the plan. Mistletoe Market was around for 24 years, and we took a little hiatus, and we're bringing it back, and I think we're bringing it back for good.
That's great, and I appreciate both of you's time, and wish you the best. And I want to get this episode out, so I want to get back to work editing it out of all your ums and ahs and my problems, and it's going to be great. All right, it was a pleasure meeting you both, and we look forward to getting some folks down here for you.
Please do. Yeah, we're excited. It's a great event.
All right, thanks.
You have been listening to the Marietta Stories podcast. Contact us at bill@mariettastories.com to let us know your show ideas. And don't forget to subscribe to the show on iTunes, Stitcher, or Google Play so you don't miss an episode.